Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a holiday side dish. I'm going to be bringing you a few of these things throughout the month just to prepare for any of your holiday parties that you might be having or Christmas dinner, etc. And today is roasted root vegetable. This is just a mix of whatever root vegetables you want. In this video, I did parsnips and beets and sweet potato and carrots and red onion, but you certainly can use any that you want. And I would make one suggestion out of what I made today. I used a candy cane beet, which is that pretty kind of pink and white beet. I would actually use a red, traditional red beet, because I think it'll give it a nice pop of color for like a Christmas meal. That would be the only change that I would make. The flavors are still really good. You can also season this any way that you want. I kept it pretty simple because that's how we like it here at home. But you can certainly add whatever flavors you think your family or your friends may enjoy. So I hope that you guys enjoy this one as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Okay everyone, you saw how easy that was to put the roasted root vegetables together. Again, it's a great side dish. Again, I would change out the candy cane beet that I used for a red beet just for the color, the pop of color that you'd get. But you can use any root vegetables that you want. You can do all beets, you can do beets and carrots, you can do any combination that you like really. So pick your favorites, dice them up and roast them and enjoy them at your holiday meal. I'll show you this, like I said, it's I just did a little dish so I can show you what it's like. I like this one because the flavors are really, I just like the mix of flavors. And for me, it acts as a starch. So most of the root vegetables that I used in here are higher starch vegetables. So instead of like a mashed potato with a holiday meal, which I can't enjoy, something like this is really lovely for me if I don't want to do a mashed sweet potato or a mashed parsnip puree is another option that I typically choose for a holiday meal. So this is a nice difference. One thing I would say with this, it is taken to a whole different level if you use chicken or turkey fat to roast them. That's hard to come by a little bit, but if you did yeah, like if you roasted a chicken earlier in the week or something like that and you just sort of reserved the fat like you would a bacon fat, really, really yummy. Also good with bacon fat or lard if you prefer that over the avocado oil. The avocado oil, it leaves it really mild tasting, but if you add one of those fats, it gives it just a different flavor boost and a different flavor profile. So those are all different ways you can change it to meet your palate and your friends and family's palate. I hope that you guys will use this one, and we will just see it in the next video. Thanks everybody.